Let's discuss class 11th NEET bits first chapter biological classification. Yesterday we have participated in NEET weekend, right? Let's see first bit. Sorry, I have given all eukaryotics. Actually it's all prokaryotes. All prokaryotic organisms belongs to all prokaryotes belongs to A. phylum Monera, B. Protista, C. fungi, D. bacteria. All prokaryotes belongs to, yes, Monera. Coming to second bit, the five kingdom classification was proposed by A. R. H. Whittaker, B. Carolus Linnaeus, C. Aristotle, and D. None. Yes, why R. H. Whittaker? Carolus Linnaeus classified the organisms into Plantae and Animalia, and Aristotle plants and animals. Plants are herbs, shrubs, and trees. Coming to animals, he classified animals into RBCs and non-RBCs. Select the wrong statement. A. Mushrooms are fungi. B. Bacteria are prokaryotes. C. R. H. Whittaker did not classify five kingdom classifications. D. Bacteria are soulmates of Monera. Which one of the following is correct answer? Regarding select the wrong statement. Yes, because R. H. Whittaker classified the five kingdom classification. Here the option is R. H. Whittaker did not classify five kingdom classification. See, first option is mushrooms are fungi. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Right, because all mushrooms are comes under fungi. Coming to B, bacteria are prokaryotes. All prokaryotes, all bacteria comes under prokaryotes. Bacteria are the sole members of prokaryotes, and bacteria are sole members of Monera. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Right. In eukaryotes, fifth bit, in eukaryotics, EU, U means A. false, B. true, C. first, D. primitive. True, yes, U means true. False ante pseudo means false. Pseudo means false. Primitive means first, yes. One of the major component of most fungi is A. cellulose, B. hemicellulose, C. chitin, B. peptidoglycan. Yes, fungi cell membrane component is chitin. And coming to cellulose, plants. Hemicellulose, protista. Peptidoglycan, Monera. Coming to animals, nucleus, cell wall, absent. Sorry, this is regarding to cell wall, not cell membrane. Seventh one. Five kingdom classification is proposed by R. H. Whittaker is not based on A. presence or absence of cell wall, B. mode of reproduction, C. mode of nutrition, D. complexity of body organization. Yes, mode of reproduction. Yes, presence or absence of the cell wall is considered by R. H. Whittaker. Mode of nutrition is considered by R. H. Whittaker. Complexity of body organization is considered by R. H. Whittaker. But mode of reproduction was not considered by R. H. Whittaker when coming to classification. Eighth one. Choose the correct order. A. domain, kingdom, order, phylum, class, family, species, genus. B. domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, species, genus, family. D. domain, kingdom, phylum, class, species, order, family, genus, and D. domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. D. మనం ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం? మనము కోడ్ ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం? DKP COF GS. domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. So fourth one is the right option. Based on shape, bacteria is divided into how many types? A 3, B 4, C 5, D 6. 4. What are that? Cocci, Bacillus. Cocci is spherical shape. And coming to Bacillus, rod shape. Spirulina, spiral shape. Very good. Vibrio, comma shape. Totally based on shape, bacteria is divided into 4 types. Bacillobacteria is comes under which phylum? A. Fungi, B. Monera, C. Protista, D. None. Bacillus bacteria is comes under which phylum? Fungi, Monera, Protista, None. Because Bacillobacteria is the bacteria. All bacteria are prokaryotes and comes under phylum Monera. Shape of Vibrio: A, comma, B square, C rectangle and D oval. Comma, very good. Square ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? లేవు. రెక్టాంగిల్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? లేవు. ఓవల్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? లేవు. కామా అనేది విబ్రియో, కోకి అనేది స్పెరికల్, బ్యాసిలస్ అనేది రాడ్, స్పెరులినా అనేది స్పైరల్, విబ్రియో అనేది కామా షేప్. Cocci, Bacillus and Spirilla comes under type of A. Plantae, B. Animalia, C. Bacteria, D. Fungi. Bacteria comes under phylum? Yes. All these Cocci, Bacillus, Spirilla and Vibrio comes under types of bacteria. Bacteria comes under phylum Monera. Which of the following has no true nucleus? A. Fungi, B. Cocci, C. Plantae, D. Animalia. Which of the following has no true nucleus? No true nucleus means prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means monarians. Monarians means bacteria. Bacteria mean Cocci bacteria. So the right option is B. Select correct combination of statements. 1. Methanogens are archaebacteria which produce methane in marshy areas. 2. Nostoc, a filamentous blue-green algae which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. 3. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria synthesize cellulose from glucose. 4. Mycoplasma lack a cell wall and can survive without oxygen. Which select correct combination of the statements. Methanogens are archaebacteria which produce methane in marshy areas. Right or wrong? Right. Because methanogens produce methane biogas. So the first one is right. One is right. Next one. Nostoc, a filamentous blue-green algae which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Right or wrong? Nostoc fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Right. So second one is right. Third one. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria synthesize cellulose from glucose. Right or wrong? Wrong. Because chemosynthetic. These are not photosynthetic. These are chemosynthetic. So chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria doesn't synthesize cellulose from glucose. So third one is wrong. Fourth one. Mycoplasma lack a cell wall and can survive without oxygen. Right or wrong? Mycoplasma. What we have discussed about mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the smallest living organisms and can live without oxygen. So fourth one is right. Which options are right? 1, 2 and 4. 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3. C 2, 3 and 4. D 1, 2 and 4. D option 1, 2 and 4 is the right option. And 15th one. Plant-like nutrition is present in A. Amoeba, B. Fungi, C. Cyanobacteria and D. Animalia. Plant-like nutrition is present in Cyanobacteria, very good. Cyanobacteria contains which chlorophyll? Chlorophyll, yes, chlorophyll A. Cyanobacteria similar to plants. Contains chlorophyll A. Consider the following statements about plants. Kingdom plant includes eukaryotic, autotrophic, chlorophyll containing organisms. 2. It includes algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperms but not angiosperms. 3. Most plants have cellulose in its cell wall. Consider the following statement about plants. About plants, which one of the following statements are correct? Kingdom plant includes eukaryotic, autotrophs, chlorophyll containing organisms. Right or wrong? Because kingdom plant includes eukaryotic, autotrophs, plant means autotrophs, and contains chlorophyll. This is right. Second one, it includes algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperms but not angiosperms. Angiosperms plant lo undavanta. Angiosperms are known as flowering plants, right? So angiosperms anetivi ఉండవు. ఆల్గే ఉంటది, బ్రయోఫైటా ఉంటది, టెరిడోఫైటా ఉంటది, జిమ్నోస్పర్మ్స్ ఉంటాయి, కానీ ఎంజియోస్పర్మ్స్ ఉండవు అని ఇచ్చాడు. ఇస్ ఇట్ రైట్? రాంగ్. మోస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ సెల్యులోజ్ ఇన్ ఇట్స్ సెల్ వాల్. సెల్ వాల్ ప్లాంట్స్, మోస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్ సెల్యులోజ్ ఉంటది అంటున్నారు. yes, right. Third one, first one is right and third one is plants లో cellulose. So 1 and 3 are the correct answers. A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 1, 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3 are wrong. Which one is correct? 1 and 3 are correct. Yes. 17. Cyanobacteria also referred as A. protists, B. golden algae, C. slime moths, B. blue green algae. Cyanobacteria, blue green algae. Cyanobacteria are known as blue green algae. Which among the following can live without oxygen? Sorry. Are the primitive prokaryotes responsible for the production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals include the A. methanogens, B. eubacteria, C. halophiles, D. thermoacidophiles. Methanogens, yes. Methanogens produce the biogas, methane, biogas. Methanogens are the primitive prokaryotes. What? Primitive prokaryotes. What are the primitive prokaryotes? Methanogens are the primitive prokaryotes. What is eubacteria? Eubacteria mean? Eubacteria mean? Two bacteria. What are halophiles? Halophiles means in extreme springs. Thermoacidophiles means extreme hot springs. Halophiles means extreme hot. Halophiles means extreme hot conditions. Thermoacidophiles, thermoacidophiles means in extreme hot springs. The season season in between winter and summer is known as spring, right? Which among the following can live without oxygen? Pseudomonas, B. Mycoplasma, C. Amoeba, D. Paramecium. Which among the following can live? Just now we discussed about mycoplasma. The answer is mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the smallest primitive prokaryotes and can live without oxygen. Among the following, which one is the type of spirilla bacteria? A. Staphylococcus, B. Micrococcus, C. Spirochaete, D. None. The answer is Spirochaete is the type of spirilla bacteria. Name lone undi spiro ani. Spirilla. Example Spirochaete is example of spirilla. పేర్లోనే ఉంది Spirochaete అని. Staphylococcus and Micrococcus are the types of కోకి బ్యాక్టీరియా. నేమ్ లోనే ఉంది కోకి అని. మనకి ఎన్ని చెప్తాము? కోకి బ్యాక్టీరియా, బ్యాసిల్లస్, స్పైరిల్లా, విబ్రియో. స్పైరోకీటా అనేది స్పైరిల్లా, కోకి అని వచ్చింది కోకి బ్యాక్టీరియా. Diplococcus means occurs in chain, occurs in double, occurs in square, occurs in cuboidal. Diplo occurs in double. Diplo means double. 2. Monococcus, diplococcus, triplococcus, tetracoccus. So double means diplo. Which of the following can survive in extreme springs? A. Methanosens, B. Halophiles, C. Thermoacidophiles, D. All Monera. Which of the following can survive in extreme springs? Extreme springs. Thermoacidophiles. Methanosens means which produce methane biogas. Halophiles means extreme hot conditions. Thermoacidophiles means extreme hot springs. All Monerian means all Monerian, not all Monerians, because thermoacidophiles, halophiles also comes under Monerian. So we can't say that all Monerians are comes under thermoacidophiles. Which of the following fixes atmospheric nitrogen? A. Nostoc and Anabina, B. Archaebacteria, C. Cyanobacteria, and D. None. Which of the following can fix atmospheric nitrogen? Nostoc, yes. Nostoc and Anabina can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Coming to Archaebacteria. What? Sorry? Which types? Thermoacidophiles. Very good. Archaebacteria means which can live in which are the abundant in nature, which can live in hot springs and extreme cold and produce the methanogen gas. And coming to Nostoc and Anabina, which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Cyanobacteria is the blue-green algae. What? Cyanobacteria is the blue-green algae. Okay. Next bit. Which of the following is pathogenic to plants? A. Cyanobacteria, B. blue-green algae, C. Archaebacteria, D. Mycoplasma. Which one is the what is meant by pathogenic? Disease causing microorganisms are known as pathogens. Pathogenic organisms means the organisms which cause disease in plants or humans are known as pathogenic. So, which of the following is known as pathogenic to plants? Cyanobacteria or blue-green algae, Archaebacteria or Mycoplasma? Yes, Mycoplasmas are known as the pathogenic to plants and animals. These are the 25 bits. Paper ఎలా ఉంది నేనే ఇచ్చాను కదా, బాగా చేశారు. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ అయినా సరే నీట్ బాగా చేశారు. కొంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫెయిల్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, హ్యావ్ టు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్. నెక్స్ట్ టైం బెటర్ లక్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.